Hi guys, it's April here from iEnvyCo, and I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial about picking up pre-made volume fans. So you can see here that I've got my pointed tweezers in one hand, my dominant hand, and my fingertips are low on the tweezers, and my finger is balancing wherever I'm trying to pick up from. So with the point of the tweezers, you just grab from the stem, so the bottom of the lash, and then you put it back on the strip and pick up from the tip. So here on a mannequin head, you can see, I'll do this a few times. So you pick up, place back on the sticky strip, pick up from the tip, dip in your glue, balance your fingers and place on the lash. You can see there that I'm always balancing on my mannequin head, always balance on your client's head just to give you stability. My fingers are always low on the tweezers to control where it's going and to control my pressure. Okay, so again, I have my pointed tweezers, pick up from the stem, pick it up off the strip, place back on the strip gently, and then grab lightly from the top and peel towards you. Now, if the fan does break, that's fine. You can save those for any fragile natural lashes that might need something a little bit lighter. I tend to break fans on purpose also to get into those inner corners or any slightly shorter or younger lashes that might not be able to support a full fan. I will normally do a 2D or a 3D depending on what sort of weight that natural lash can stand. Again, pulling towards me from the stem, placing back, picking up from the top, dipping in glue, and balancing and placing on the natural lash. And you know what? I do have a lot of students who struggle with the classic aspect of the training, and then on their second day of training, they go ahead and practice pre-made volumes, and they actually like this better, and they're actually more skilled at applying these. So you might find, even though classic is supposed to be a little bit easier, you might find that you're a natural at volume lashing. So that's the basics of picking up pre-made volume fans. You always want to make sure you have high quality fans that are the weight they say they are. Also go for heat bonded fans, not fans that are glued, because obviously if they've been pre-glued, that would actually add more weight to the fans. Also with your hybrid lashing, hybrids are a mixture of classic extensions and fans or volume fans, whether they're handmade Russian or if they're good quality pre-made fans. Sometimes you'll actually add more weight to the fans. Also with your hybrid lashing, hybrids are a mixture of classic extensions and fans or volume fans, whether they're handmade Russian or if they're good quality pre-made fans. Sometimes your client will want fuller looking hybrids, so that's when you would opt for more volume fans in that set. Or if they want more natural, then go for more classic extensions in the set. In the salon for a hybrid set, we would spend 45 minutes classic lashing and 45 minutes volume lashing. So it's really up to you. We do upgrade our clients to volume if they want something fuller, because we find that volume is the most popular set in the salon. Otherwise, happy lashing, enjoy yourselves. Don't forget to email me if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, see ya.